over a year since the COVID pandemic struck the world and altered our reality and our lives as we know it. Whether it's masks, sanitizers, lockdowns, work from home, this has all become part of the new normal. Now, we managed to cope with the first wave. We did emerge through it, but very bruised and battered, controlling the spread of the virus with exercising utmost caution. But now we are in the grip of a second wave. The difference this time around is that we are armed with 2 vaccines. Network 18, in partnership with Federal Bank, has launched a campaign. It's called Sanjeevani, a shot of life. Our mission here is to raise awareness, to reach each and every citizen across the country and highlight the importance of the vaccine. We will also try and allay fears and help clear doubts. Join us on this drive as we hope to deal with the coronavirus. We of course have a special program lined up here on Network 18 across all of our channels as well as our digital platforms. So let's go right to it. Joining me on this crucial campaign is my co-anchor, CNN News 18's executive editor, Anand Narasimhan. Let me go across to him in just a bit.
Morning Shireen, morning to all our viewers joining us here on this entire broadcast. There is a saying, या कहते हैं एक शेर है कि कौन कहता है कि आसमान में सुराग नहीं हो सकता, कोई तबीयत से पत्थर तो उठा लो यारों। Good morning to all our viewers. कहते हैं कौन कहता है आसमान में सुराग नहीं हो सकता, कोई तबीयत से पत्थर तो उछालो यारों. Ladies and gentlemen, that's what we are doing. We are putting out an effort to create mobilization, awareness towards getting the vaccine. एक ही सवाल है, if you are eligible, तो vaccine लगाया क्या? Thank you for joining us here on this never before attempt at the Atari border. With me is a campaign ambassador, is a lion-hearted gentleman who I'm a huge fan of for the work that he's done, selfless work that he's done, Sonu Sood. Sonu, इस कैंपेन से जुड़ने के लिए बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद. संजीवनी वैक्सीन लगाया क्या बहुत अहम है आज की तारीख में.
Yeah, thank you so much, Anand. It's a pleasure कि आज इतनी बड़ी मुहिम में आज हम लोग जुड़े हैं सर.
We have the DG BSF Rakesh Asthana ji also with us. This is live on television. Sonu, आप बता रहे थे क्यों आप इस कैंपेन से जुड़े. Rakesh Asthana ji and the forces, they've done a fantastic job guarding ourselves. But ये वक्त है कि जब हम देश को एक पैंडेमिक से बचाएं और उसके लिए सबसे बड़ा शॉट ऑफ लाइफ जिसे कहते हैं वो ये वैक्सीन है.
मुझे याद आता है उस समय जब पूरी माइग्रेंट्स की मूवमेंट शुरू हुई थी और हम लोग सड़कों पर उनके साथ थे, वापस भेज रहे थे और हम लोग यही बोलते थे कि आप आराम से जाएं, सुरक्षित जाएं, सेफ डिस्टेंसिंग रखें, मास्क पहने. और आज जब हमारे पास वो वैक्सीन आ गई है तो मैं चाहता हूं कि हर एक इंसान जो आज हमें सुन रहा है, देख रहा है, वो जरूर लगाएं क्योंकि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है अपने आप को, अपने परिवार वालों को और देश को सुरक्षित रखना.
तो आपने भी वैक्सीन लगाया. मेरे साथ डीजी बीएसएफ राकेश अस्थाना जी भी हैं एंड ही इज आल्सो टेकन द वैक्सीन. आई एम हैंडिंग इट बैक टू शरीन एंड वी विल टेक दिस कन्वर्सेशन फॉरवर्ड.
Well, thank you very much, Anand, and thank you to Sonu Sood as well as to the entire BSF top brass there to join hands with us here at the Network 18 campaign. And we will, of course, show you visuals of Sonu getting vaccinated. He had the vaccine shot taken last night, so we'll talk to him a little bit about his experience as well. And Anand, I'll keep coming back to you. So thanks very much for kicking things off here with us. Now, as India is in the grip of a second wave of the COVID pandemic, what we're seeing across the country, ladies and gentlemen, is poor COVID discipline. The common citizen is guilty of that, but more importantly, so are the politicians. People are not wearing masks, not maintaining social distancing, and as COVID fatigue continues to escalate, we are seeing caution being thrown to the winds. It has forced state governments to reimpose lockdowns, to reimpose restrictions, and that does not help anyone. It hurts the economy, it hurts the common citizen, it hurts livelihoods. So what we are trying to do here today is to ensure that people who are eligible to get vaccinated come out there and get the shot. Our vaccines have been developed by scientists, both global as well as Indian. They have worked very hard over the past year, and of course at this point in time we are trying to aggressively ramp up the vaccination drive. We've done about 30 lakh shots just yesterday, and this is going to be a crucial tool in our armory to deal with the COVID pandemic. Here's a look at what Sanjeevani is about.
The coronavirus pandemic has changed our lives forever. Once the virus struck our nation, millions were forced to retreat from their lives and even separate themselves from their families. Frontline workers forced to stay away from their loved ones, and grandparents unable to embrace their grandchildren. India was a global leader in controlling the COVID surge. The pan-India lockdown arrested the spike in cases even as the pharma sector went into overdrive to deliver a vaccine. After a year of battling the pandemic, the nation slowly opened up to kickstart the economy, armed with not one but two indigenous vaccines to beat the virus. However, months later, vaccine hesitancy and COVID fatigue has driven the nation into the grip of a second wave. Hotspots across the country are going through a second series of lockdowns as cases surge on a daily basis. Our vaccines are prime weapon against this deadly disease. April 1st marked the date when those above 45 started getting the jab. The task before the nation is to inoculate as many as possible. Over 6 crore have been vaccinated, but we need to pick up the pace. Network 18, in partnership with Federal Bank, rolls out Sanjeevani, a shot of life. A campaign whose mission is to raise awareness about the importance of getting vaccinated. The drive comes at a crucial time when the nation is also facing vaccine wastage due to low footfall. Around 66% of India's population lives in remote and inaccessible villages, making it tougher to get citizens vaccinated. The campaign aims to reach each and every Indian to highlight the importance of the vaccine, to allay fears, to tackle vaccine hesitancy. We as a nation can still beat this disease, and the vaccine is our Brahmastra. Join the Sanjeevani mission to make India COVID-free.
Well, that, ladies and gentlemen, is our hope, that is our aspiration, and we would request all of you to join hands with this campaign. My colleague Anand Narasimhan is with the frontline workers, the men who defend our borders, keep us safe. Let me go right back across to him. Anand, you're there with the men who in the line of duty defend us, keep us safe day and night, and of course you're there with a man who through the year has done a lion's share of trying to ensure that migrant workers go back home with dignity.
Absolutely. I've got Shyam Srinivasan of Federal Bank who've joined us as partners, and also Sonu Sood, who needs no introduction. But the person I'd like to get a quick comment from is somebody whose team has been working tirelessly to keep us safe. but he is also somebody who's also championing this fight against the pandemic amongst his team. DGBSF Rakesh Asthana ji, first up, thank you very much. This is a phenomenal feeling for me, and I can still feel goosebumps. It's a very, very special moment. You've made it happen. Thank you very much for supporting this campaign here. Your thoughts, first up, मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा.
First of all, I must appreciate the efforts for creating this awareness. Mr. Sonu Sood is here and he is a known figure. BSF is the first line of defense for the country. Not only against the enemies we are defending the country, but we are contributing a lot for fighting this pandemic right from the beginning. We have not only made our troops and their families aware about the vaccination, but also wherever we are deployed, we are making the people aware about the importance of vaccination and making constant efforts to promote the vaccination program. So I'm very happy that this Sanjeevani, a shot of life, has been thought of, and today you are kicking off this awareness program from Wagah border. Thank you.
हम एक ही बात कह रहे हैं राकेश जी कि लगाया क्या, हम यही पूछ रहे हैं, पर मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहूंगा कि आपने वैक्सीन लगवा लिया, कहीं आपकी टीम में कभी ऐसा हुआ कि सर बुलेट से डर नहीं लगता लेकिन वैक्सीन से डर लग रहा है?
नहीं, वैक्सीन का कोई डर नहीं है, सभी ने लिया. एज अ लीडर वी हैव टू लीड फ्रॉम द फ्रंट, एंड every Jawan, his family members, all the officers, subordinate ranks, everyone has taken the vaccination, and we are doing our bit to create awareness also amongst the masses. Thank you.
सोनू, आप तो इसी इलाके से हैं, मोगा ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है, पर एक रिक्वायरमेंट ये है कि लोग टीका लगाएं, वैक्सीन लगाएं, और ये लगाया क्या जो हमारा कैंपेन है वो इसीलिए कि लोग वैक्सीन से घबराएं नहीं. आपने तो एक सेकंड नहीं लगाया इस मुहिम से जुड़ने के लिए, सो व्हाट वाज द थॉट प्रोसेस?
बहुत स्पेशल था. मुझे लगता है कि जो जर्नी मेरी रही है पिछले कुछ 1-1.5 साल में, जब मैं माइग्रेंट से जुड़े उनको हमेशा घर भेज रहे थे तो बोल रहे थे कि सेफली जाओ, लेकिन अभी समय वो आ गया कि जब हम पूरे देश को बोलें कि आप वैक्सीन लगाएं. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए, आपके परिवार वालों के लिए, हमारे देश के लिए. और जैसे हम लोग सुनते हैं कि बहुत सारे लोगों को माइंड में एक डर है कि वैक्सीन लगवाएं या इंतजार करें, तो मैं उन सबसे ये कहना चाहूंगा कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आज आप खुद जाकर पहल कीजिए, मोटिवेट कीजिए अपने परिवार वालों को, दोस्तों को. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए, आपके देश के लिए. लोगों से सवाल पूछिए, लगाया क्या?
लगाया क्या? आपको डर लगा था जब आपने टीका लगवाया?
जी, मैंने लिया, वैक्सीन लिया. सो आई थिंक
आपके मन में कोई किसी तरह का संकोच था, किसी तरह?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. मैं आई वाज रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड कि लगवाना है, और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं, मैंने अपने बड़े दोस्तों को वापस बोला कि यू हैव टू कम फॉरवर्ड एंड गेट वैक्सीनेटेड.
Shyam Srinivasan, Managing Director, Federal Bank, is with us. Shyam, wonderful to have you with us. Shireen has a question and then I'll take it up forward. Yes, Shireen.
Well, thanks very much, Anand. I know that you'll get to Mr. Srinivasan and ask him about whether he's been vaccinated or not. But more importantly, I want to ask Mr. Srinivasan about the impact on the economy, because this shot is not a shot of life alone. It is a shot for resilience. It's a shot to enhance the recovery that we are currently in the midst of for the economy. Mr. Srinivasan, many thanks for joining us here on this campaign. That's my first question to you, sir. How concerned are you that we're now in a phase where we're starting to see restrictions, mini lockdowns, partial lockdowns being reimposed? We saw the debilitating impact that the lockdown had on the economy with that historic contraction. How concerned are you today, sir?
I think, firstly, this is extraordinarily special. I mean, the television can't do justice to the situation we're sitting in.
Yes.
I don't think anybody can experience what is going on here. To look around and see thousands of Jawans with their leaders sitting here and getting inspired to take this, I think the message is spread deep into the country. And that itself, Shireen, will be the biggest shot of life, which will re-inspire people to get confident that we can overcome this. The last 12 months has been bad. But I think the fact that 2 vaccines are available, incidentally I have taken mine, so I do think that the bankers, we are 12 lakh bankers in the country and many more people who support us, all of us should be given and should take the shot. And that itself will be a big inspiration for the economy to sort of come back. Yes, there are challenges, but we've had a tough 12 months. We've navigated it well. I'm quite confident that the period ahead, maybe the next 2-3 months, maybe a lull, but it'll come back roaring. And bankers have been at the forefront, just like our Jawans. I'm convinced that our bankers will again play front foot and spread the message. And that's really what Federal Bank has taken this. I'm so excited that we've had a chance to work with Network 18 to do this program. This is going to be really special. I don't know television can do justice to the grandness of the occasion.
Absolutely.
Oh. Yes, I would imagine that it cannot do justice to the setting, and what an iconic setting it is. But Mr. Srinivasan, you're absolutely right. Bankers have also been absolutely crucial in the fight back, and they've been batting on the front foot, as you rightly said, and we hope that that will, of course, continue. You know, you've got the shot. I would imagine that you will urge all employees across Federal Bank to get vaccinated as well. Many companies, many corporations, India Inc. has come out and said, we're willing to bear the cost. We're willing to partner with the government to ensure that the vaccine reaches everybody, because this is going to aid the economic recovery. What do you see as the next steps as far as this public-private partnership is concerned when it comes specifically to the vaccination drive?
I think the first and foremost, just like all our frontline workers, we've been appealing to IBA, to the government, to allow all bankers, not just 45 plus, because there's so many of us in the front line, right? And everybody should get vaccinated, because that will help serve the country, serve people's needs. And as that comes along and many of the government and regulatory initiatives fall in place, I do think this time around the more people get vaccinated and the confidence comes back, the level of panic will be.
बहुत ही नॉमिनल खर्चा उसके ऊपर उपलब्ध कराइए। तो मैंने लोगों से कहा था कि वैक्सीनेशन को लेना, जिनके लिए भी सरकार के एक्सपर्ट ग्रुप्स ने एडवाइज किया है फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी के रूप में, ये एक प्रकार से इसको जन आंदोलन बनाना जरूरी है। और इस जन आंदोलन में जो संजीवनी आपको वैक्सीन के रूप में दी जा रही है, ये आपके प्राणों की रक्षा के लिए है। ये आपके प्राण को कोविड के वायरस से लड़ने की और ज़्यादा अभूतपूर्व क्षमता देने के लिए है, ताकत देने के लिए, एंटीबॉडी पैदा करने के लिए है। इसलिए मैंने इसको संजीवनी कहा था। और मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि आज जब मैं आपका कैंपेन देख रहा हूँ नेटवर्क 18 का फेडरल बैंक के साथ, तो मैं देख रहा हूँ कि आपने इस कैंपेन को नाम दिया संजीवनी, शॉट ऑफ लाइफ। और सच्ची बात यह है कि ये आज जो वैक्सीन है 2020 और 21 के अंदर, जब कोविड ने सारी दुनिया को प्रभावित किया है, सारी दुनिया के लिए ये एक बड़ा विषय कंसर्न का बन गया है। कितने सारे लोग इसके कारण बीमार हुए हैं, कितने सारे दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण ढंग से हमारे देश के अंदर और दुनिया में लोगों की इसके कारण जो है प्राण चले गए हैं। हमारे कोविड वॉरियर्स इसके कारण हम खो चुके हैं, डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेज, फ्रंटलाइन वर्कर्स, इतने लोग हमने इसमें खो दिए हैं। ऐसे में जब हमारे वैज्ञानिकों ने थोड़े से समय में, यानी 1 साल से भी कम समय में हमें वैक्सीन बनाकर दे दी है,